Hello everyone, this is Maria from GuideWise, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically answer all your calls on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So if for some reason you want to set your iPhone to auto answer your calls, this is how you're going to do it. We're going to head to settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to select accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down just a little bit more and we're going to tap untouch. Now you're going to go all the way to the bottom and where it says call audio routing, we're going to select that. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we're going to see auto answer calls and we're simply going to turn this option on. Here you're going to set the duration of seconds before the call is auto answer. So let's say you want to wait maybe 5 seconds before, and now you're going to go back. And as you can see, it says 5 seconds. That means that it's turned on and now all your calls will be automatically answered after 5 seconds. Hope that helped.